It breaks my heart that so many people are stuck in a Groundhog Day of struggle and mediocrity, all because of one thing. They're waiting for permission. They are imprisoned by this state of permission that was indoctrinated and conditioned into them from a very early age. Yes, when we're young kids, we need to wait for permission from our parents to do things because we could put our lives in danger, and otherwise because we don't understand actions have consequences, and sometimes really bad consequences. So yes, it makes sense that we get our children to ask for permission for certain things, because little kids do not tend to make the best decisions sometimes. But then as we get into school and we are indoctrinated and conditioned into asking permission to go to the bathroom or doing anything that is out of the strict structure and framework of our school environment, and this just gets repeated and reinforced over and over and over. We come out of our education system as young adults still thinking that we have to ask people permission to go after our dreams, permission to live life on our terms, permission to do what makes us happy. You don't need permission for any of that. And if there are people in your lives who you are attracted who tell you otherwise, then how about you change your situation and you create an environment for yourself where you do not need permission from anyone. So of course, if you're in a job, then I do not suggest that you start just defying your boss and doing whatever the hell you want at work, because there are certain rules and certain parameters within society and with our employment that we need to follow in order to retain our employment and actually get really good outcomes. And actions have consequences. But in relation to your dreams, in relation to living life on your terms, how about you start thinking about all the things that you have been waiting for permission for from other people that nobody else except you need to actually grant yourself permission. So give yourself permission to go after your dreams. Give yourself permission to live life on your terms. Give yourself permission to dream huge. Give yourself permission to just be happy just because you're here and just because life has so many opportunities for you. Give yourself permission to seek out opportunities that will help you to create your life your way and be able to live life on your terms. Just give yourself permission. If this is something that has been holding you back, it ends right now. Now, if you have enjoyed this, then like and subscribe, comment below. If you would like help with any of this about getting out of your own way and creating your wealth by design this year, then check out my free workshop. The link is in the description below. All you have to do is register. It's totally free. I look forward to seeing you on the workshop. And if you would like another video that's going to help you to get into a better, more empowered state of being, then check out this video here, because it is all about mastering your state of being. It's a total game changer. I look forward to seeing you in that video next.